Did you just call me a bitch? Did you call me a bitch?
Yeah.
Why? You better stop cussing.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do.
I don't like you no more. We got problems. You don't want to be my friend no more, and you ignoring me. Oh.
Let me show y'all what wakes me up in the middle of the night. This. Why are you not helping her? She need help.